I am going to talk you through how to log on to Overdrive, where you can access books online. In case you forget the Overdrive website, you can just type in on Google Overdrive DPS. Oops. You can hear my cat in the background. She's really excited about reading online. Now, here's the website. You may have already typed that into your browser, or you can click here, sign in. I've already signed in, but if I wasn't signed in, it would take me to this page. I enter my information for Denver Public Schools and my password, and then I sign in. And then you have access to lots of different books, which you will see on the home page once it's loaded. And you can scroll through and see different books, or you can search a book you might be interested in. I like the book Women Who Dared. You can search for the book, and I've already checked this out, so I can just go to my checkouts, and then I can read the book here. Now, once you've done your reading for the day, you can go to your Google Classroom. So under classwork, you have the daily independent reading, which is where you can find these links. So here is our remote learning independent reading log. So I started to fill this out. I added the date. It's the 21st of April, 2020. I read for 30 minutes. What book are you reading? Women Who Dared. Be sure to use capitalization when you need to. And then choose a prompt and write your response here. That means you choose what you write about based on your independent reading. So I want to talk about how the book made me feel. This book made me feel inspired and empowered. We want to have 3 to 5 sentences. And then keep adding on. And then from here, you have your independent reading vocabulary log. Not a word that you read in your book, so I'm just going to use an example here, annoying, because my cat is being really annoying. She's being bothersome. And then in this situation, it's your interpretation of the definition. Do you know the word in another language besides English? So for example, molesta, molesto is annoying in Spanish. Synonyms, well, I said bothersome. Right now it's irritating. These are your synonyms. Maybe distracting. You try. Use it in a sentence. Miss Julia's cat was very annoying when she meowed while Miss Julia was trying to work. Now, once you are done with this, you will just close out of it. You don't need to turn it in. We're going to keep adding as we go. So just close out of it, and then you are good to go. Happy reading.